here's a problem in Davinci Resolve related to this small little clip. Notice as I drag my playhead across those clips, the clip is playing nicely, but if I right click on it and go to change clip speed and increase that speed to, let's say, 2 times, change, then the clip jumps up and then comes back. So why is that happening? Even if I use a different speed, let's say 300, clip is smaller, but the clip's position up here is different. So this clip is at 400 something height, whereas that one jumped up to 700. And if I return it to the original 100, then for some reason it is going back to its original position. Now, how to fix this problem? A workaround is to right click on it and create a compound clip. New compound clip, create, and now speed up this one. The same, change clip speed, let's say 200, and now the clip is not jumping up. Let's use even 300, and the clip stays in one place. Undo, undo, and undo. And if I eliminated the compound clip and speed it up now, then it is jumping up for some reason. So by first creating a compound clip of it and then speeding it up, you might eliminate this position related problem in Davinci. Another way to fix this problem, the same thing here with the next small clip. It is jumping up. Simply click on the previous clip, copy that Y number of the position, copy it, go to your weird clip which jumps up and paste over that value. And now without a compound clip, the video is in original position. Here's another method. So this one is at 100 and 400. The small one is at 100 and 700. So you can copy the values, go to that one and don't paste it, but paste attributes. And make sure the position is checked and apply. And then the position of this clip will be copied to that one. And now it's not jumping up anymore. Before it was jumping up. And after paste attributes, apply, it's in one line.